Alright, so step one, she did not overflow. The overflow is working. Dock's good. Palm tree fell down. And look how high the water is. So everybody under the storm has been flooding from Tampa and even down here. The water is actually on low tide right now, and it's going to go up another 2 feet. So if you look here and you add 2 feet, we should be fine. The water should come up to like here. And look, our house is there. So should be good, but definitely not ideal. Everything from neighbors' docks that they didn't pick up. And it's pretty windy. It's the current situation.